sitting in the chair. I did. I just broke my little 99-cent flip flop. Well, that's Lisa's 99-cent from Old Navy. Anyway, I was going to talk to y'all today about marriage. Marriage. Y'all remember that movie from Spaceballs? Marriage. Anyway, listen. I have some new friends on here. Robin and Robbie, you just celebrated your 8th anniversary, I heard. Happy anniversary, guys. I'm so happy for y'all. I'm so thankful that y'all have each other, because y'all know a perfect marriage is just two imperfect people that refuse to give up on each other. And listen, it is hard. It is the hardest thing I have ever done in my life. Marriage is hard. I don't care what anybody says. If they say it's not, they're lying. They are lying. Because it's the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. It is not easy. And listen, my husband and I, we've been together since we were like 11 years old. And boy, I got some good pictures from back then. We had gold chain necklaces with our initials on them. I bet my mama still got that saved somewhere. And the clothes we wore, I don't even know what we were thinking back then. Y'all, one time we went to a homecoming, and I thought I was so pretty. And now my husband's like, honey, you were, He was right, y'all. I looked like I should have been going to a bullfight, not a homecoming, because I had one of them white ruffled front shirts and this sombrero-looking black hat. It was ridiculous looking. I looked really bad. It was bad. But he didn't tell me then. And y'all, we have some great memories with music. And I don't know, I wore those Bucks shoes and the Keds that my mama was too cheap to buy me the real ones, so I had to peel the blue label off the back of them, and he never said anything. And y'all, even one time, I had put Sports Illustrated Swimsuit Edition pictures all over his wall with him. I don't know why I did that, but anyway, that's crazy. I loved him. I was crazy in love, like you, Robin and Robbie, y'all in love, and I'm so happy for y'all. And I hope everybody has a great weekend. And Tilda's here for y'all, and y'all write me and let me know how y'all doing, because I love y'all so much. And anyway, y'all take care, and I'll see you soon.